Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Welcome to day 3 of the 10-day scrap wire earring making challenge. I will put all the details about the challenge in the description below the video. Be sure to join the 10-day challenges group on Facebook to share photos of your creations from the challenge. And without further ado, let's get wired. Today I'm making some minimalist earrings. We'll start with the spiral pair. I'm taking 4 inches of 18 gauge artistic wire and adding a 6mm miracle bead. I'm going to hold the bead firmly and wind the wire around the bead. So bring it around slowly and holding it right against the bead, bring it right down to the bottom. From there, we're going to clip the end of the wire to about 1.25 inches with our flush cutters. We'll get our precision round nose pliers, take the end of the wire and curve it around into a closed loop. We want to bring this in to form a spiral, so we'll just take the end and slowly bring it around. The artistic wire is quite soft, so it makes a nice little spiral. Just bring it around slowly, little tiny bends to make the curve, and then get your nylon jaw pliers to bring the spiral in and center it under the bead. You can do any little adjustments with the precision pliers. I'll link up all my tools in the description below the video. So once the spiral's done, we'll clip the end to 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Take our bail making pliers or round nose pliers and make a centered loop. So bring the wire out and around to make a closed loop. Adjust it so it's centered. Use the chain nose pliers to flatten it out so there's no pokey ends. And we have the pair. And then we're going to make some hooks. So we have 2 pieces of 1 3/4 inch 20 gauge German style wire. Holding them together, we're going to make a loop with the bail making pliers. Find the bigger part of the bail making pliers to make the hook. And then we're going to bend the wires out. Clip the ends with the flush cutters so they're even. And get our burr cup tool or file to soften the end. Open up that hook, add your earring, close it up, and there are your beautiful minimalist earrings. For the second style, we're using a thicker wire. I have 16 gauge artistic wire, about 4 inches is good. I'm using the end of a Crayola marker to make the circle. Holding it against the marker, bringing the wire around to make the full circle. Making sure you have some wire on both sides. Now take the bail making pliers to make a loop. Bring it right around. And then we're going to clip that end with the flush cutters or nipper tool. Remove the wire. And we're going to make another loop underneath that first loop. So the first loop was about 3mm and the second loop is about 2mm. And I'm going to even get smaller round nose pliers to make it a little bit smaller. We don't want the inside loop to take up too much space. Clip the end flush. Push in those little pokey ends so it's flat. Make sure the loops are one stacked on top of the other. Then I'm going to hammer it with my chasing hammer to flatten it out a little bit and stiffen it up. Now I'll do a little dangle. You can use a head pin or a piece of the wire, 20 gauge. We're going to just pull at that loop to make it as small as possible. I don't want it to take up too much space. Clip the end flush. Pinch it with the chain nose pliers. Make sure it's nice and tiny. And we're going to hold it and bend the wire up so the loop is centered. I'm adding a 6mm cat's eye bead. Clip the end to 3/8 of an inch. Make a small loop. Make it centered, bend it out and around to have a centered, simple loop. Open it up and we'll add it to our hoop. Close up the wire. There's a little dangle. And you'll add your hooks, and there are your beautiful earrings. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to share your creations for the duration of the challenge in the 10-Day Challenges Facebook group. If the challenge is over, stay tuned for the next 10-day challenge. And in the meantime, you can share any photos of your wire art or wire jewelry creations in the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. Have fun with the challenge, and we'll see you the next time.